Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to attach a 4K video to your email on the new Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook, as well as a video that we have exported in 4K so we can start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, you will have noticed that you have been migrated to the brand new version of the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. So let's now compile a brand new email by going to the left hand side top corner where we have new email. Hover over this. So we can either create an email, event, or contact. We are looking to compile a brand new email. Click on this. Before we do anything now, let's now move to another desktop. Go all the way down to the dock. Go to Finder. Now let's locate the 4K video which we will be attaching to the email. So let's go to my YouTube channel. We have a folder called 4K. Click on this. We have the video called this is a 4K video. Right click this, copy, go to the desktop, paste item. Let's now close out of Finder. Let's now go down to the dock, go back to Microsoft Outlook. We will be sending this email to the Computer Science Videos business@gmail.com account. Click on the first one, double click to expand to confirm that it is being sent to the Gmail account. That's fine. The subject will be 4K video. Let's now compile the email. So dear CSV, please see the 4K video. Kind regards from the admin. Let's now attach that video on the desktop. Click on the video, choose. The attachment has now been attached to the email. So let's now click on send. And that email itself has been sent. So we can now minimize Outlook for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser. Google Chrome, click on this. Wait for that to load. Now go to Gmail via the shortcut on the right top corner of the screen. Click on Gmail. We now have an email that was sent from the admin. 4K video, dear CSV, please see the video. Kind regards from the admin. Click on this. Couldn't preview the file, that's okay. So let's now download that video. Open up the video. And there we have that video in 4K resolution. That's fine. Let's now quit QuickTime Player. Let's now quit Google Chrome. Let's now go down to the dock. Go back to Microsoft Outlook. Let's now quit Outlook. And so that's about this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.